Morning folks, welcome back to the channel. We're heading out this morning, a bit cold. It's about 0 degrees at the minute, I'd say. Yeah, we're going to meet a new friend, new big biker buddy. We'll introduce him a bit later on. But for now, we'll see you in a bit. Good morning. How are we doing, pal? Good morning, you're on camera. No one knows it's you yet though, so don't give it away. Right, fuel stop's done. We've picked up our new biker buddy. Stop, J&S. We'll try on some new bits. Get a cup of tea, I think. What do you say, gang? And a sausage butty, Kim says. Right, catch up with you in a bit. We eventually bought some mirrors. And we bit the bullet, and both me and Kim have bought a pair of these good old Ram double take mirrors, Ram mount jobby. Pretty good, like them. We've also, hopefully if this is working, because I haven't tested it yet, you'll also be hearing me speaking as we're riding, fingers crossed. Otherwise it'll be more drawn in voiceover. But we'll not know that until later on when I check it. We've also got a new big biker buddy, as I said earlier on. Some of you may know him. You have met him before if you're a subscriber and you watch any of the trials videos. Because it's this chap right here. That was him beeping his horn as well. He's a horny devil. He bought himself a Yamaha XT660Z Tenere. It's the older Tenere if you're not on the show, if you're not on the show. He'd been threatening it for a few months, and he's eventually bit the bullet, and I can't see shit because that's so much horror. What's that wooded road there, guys? Look at that, it's a frozen lake. Yeah, if you haven't guessed, guys, it's a little bit cold this morning. I think I've already said it earlier in the video when we set off, but yeah, it's cold. Even my thermal gloves, even my hands in these babies, it's still cold. That's that big pothole there, guys. Lose your motorbike in that. Oh, yeah, shocking. Well, be ahead. Kim, you best get to the front, love. You're paying on your way to work. Do you actually work? On it. Oh, bollocks. Yeah, it's alright. I'll catch you. You carry on. That's her waving in front. You can just see a black silhouette because she's got no colour. It's just black, black, black. Look at that! Woohoo! I'll find us a spot in the sun though. Oh, sun. So nice. The big unveil. Shouldn't. Yeah. No, it's not a cold at all, is it? So we made it. We're here, J&S, we've arrived. It's bloody freezing, my hands are gone numb, everyone else is complaining. And we've got a new friend. A new big biker buddy. Freezing. Had to just ride past this one today. Look at that. Goyt 450 Rally. Very nice. Right guys, let's go. Mac Forest. Tim, you probably don't have any idea what joggle rank is here. Alright. That's normal though, that. It's lovely, you just ignore me. Nev knows what joggle rank is, don't you, Nev? A big fucking round thing, exactly. Two-stroke wonder. Yeah, seeing into space, or seeing into women's heads. You wouldn't need. No. If it was a bloke, love, it wouldn't need to be that big. Yeah, folks. So this morning we've just had a quick ride to J&S, got a sandwich, and had a quick scooty around. Kim's bought some new D30 armour for one of the coats, one of the jackets, and now we're off over to Mac Forest, and we're going to do Mac Forest over into Goyt Valley, Goyt Valley, past Wood Reservoir even, and then we're going to end up towards Woodhead and Old Moss, do a fairly decent loop. For the first time our new biker buddy Nev's done a decent ride out, so it's looking like it's going to be 150 miles ish. So yeah, he might be walking like John Wayne tomorrow, but he just said he's booked in at A&E in the morning. They're going to warm his bed up for him. That's the plan today, and we picked a really good day because it's really nice glorious sunshine now. Earlier on it was a little bit cold, it's not as bad now, quite warm, nice pleasant day out. Yeah, we'll catch up in a bit. So, we're not actually that far away from Mac Forest in the ranger centre, Kim, so we'll be able to stop and go for a pee, because I need a pee. This is Bottom's Res here, the embankment, that one. And over the other side of that is Teg's Nose. You might be able to see it when you get a bit further up here. You'll see the wall up top, the damn wall. This farm here always makes me laugh every weekend when I do it. It's called High Low Farm. I mean, look at this, what's around here. Huh? Yeah, so this is Ridgegate one, this. And then the really big embankment you can see up the top there, Nev, is that one's Trenter Bank. We're going to pull over when we get to Trenter Bank because there's some toilets there we can use. All this, see how woods are flooded here? The whole road was flooded, Nev, it was about 3 foot deep. Really is a nice place, this, Mac Forest. Beautiful spot. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. This road is fucking nasty. Watch all that oil that someone's dropped right on the fucking middle. Yeah, watch this bit here as well because it's proper gravel. So yeah, this is Lamelord Reservoir, this Nev. Actual concrete dam, that. It's not an earth embankment dam. It's a concrete dam. And it's a... Oh yeah. It's about 30 metres high, that thing. So when you stand on the other side of it, it's quite a structure. Nice bit of the world, this, though, isn't it? Again, plenty of gravel around in the road. Oh, it's just to bring your attention to it, look, so you can see it, you're not shocked by it. So that's us done with Mac Forest, mate. Yeah, we're these roads are mint. These roads they're great little roads. These they get a bit tight and twisty now, though. If you look ahead, see where the farm building is, and you can see the road there. That road goes to the left, and it's quite a sharp off camber. You can't see it turning. And obviously you're going to have water and gravel to play with as well, so just be cautious, Kimberley. This corner's just as bad. It's full of potholes and gravel and shit. You see, it just drops right off. There's a nice rut for your front wheel to get into as well as you come round. Pretty spectacular view, that. The direction we're heading now, we're making our way over to the Goyt Valley. Can't see much around some of these corners though, so it's a bit early. Cyclists, you'll like this next bit now. This is where Kim spotted them bikers that you saw at Ghost Bikes last weekend. My 640 used to do that. These don't do it so much because they're fuel injected, but my 640 used to make some right bangs and pops. Herwood is this one, and the one down there, what you'll see in a minute, is Fernie Lee. You've done this road before, haven't you, Kim? Yeah, it wasn't too bad, was it? This corner tightens up on itself, so just be wary. Cyclist. pre-res. No, it's gone left there. You can see the jam structure in the valve tower again. Really tight bend this one. You have to go back on yourself, so just yeah, Velos, Rosewood.
Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Sadly the GoPro's played up a little bit and we didn't quite get all the footage we wanted, but the media mod's working. You can kind of hear me talking on most of it, so that's a good thing. Anyway, this coming Friday, it's Kim's birthday, so we've got something a little different and a little spectacular planned. It should be a good day, so keep your eyes peeled. Friday, maybe Saturday, by the time I've got a chance to edit it, but yeah, it should be pretty good and a little different. So yeah, cheers, thanks for watching guys.